doing the laundry together. It's just a simple thing to do. We do it on daily or weekly basis, but we sometimes take it for granted of how an awesome activity it is to actually bond with your child. What is this? What are you doing?
How dare you pick up my mouse?
Really? Because, doing the laundry or allowing the child to clean his or her clothes, it instills discipline and it shows or teaches the child the concept of cleanliness, and especially with kids going to school, they are exposed to different types of germs and or dirt or whatever. So the idea of cleaning their clothes is essential, and you want your child to be to be always on top of things. Now, teaching teaching the child about the cleanliness is not just putting in the washing machine and that's no. It will teach the child about the concept of detergents, the different cleaning cycles of the washing machine, right? Now, Danny, I have a question. What is the difference between cleaning a white shirt and a colored shirt?
The difference is because a white shirt, it can clean more dirt.
Exactly. So what we do to clean it? What do we use?
We use a sponge.
We can use that. We can also use.
But if it has a photo of me and Daddy like this, like we have this thing, it cannot go in the hot washing machine. Like we cannot press the hot button. If not, this thing will ruin.
Exactly. So we do it.
We rub it.
But this kind of stuff, the other stuff.
Put it in washing machine.
But what kind of cycle have you done?
We put the medium
or the delicate, right? Okay, so that's the whole idea, is that you want your child to be in charge. Sometimes if I'm busy, I will let Danya run basically the entire cycle, and it's okay. And she can even hang and fold the clothes. So you just want to make time and bond with your child. And I believe, from my own experience, that one of the best ways to do so, to bond with your child, is actually doing the laundry together.
Daddy!
Baby.
There's a doll outside on the...
Then maybe what you really do, start. Then so on and go on until it's done, you will come back. Okay with you? High five. 10?
and then I don't think this is the right way.
Yes, it is.
Okay. And then what? How do we make it like we roll it?
Okay. Then we don't roll it.
What do we do? Oh, like a triangle. Like this.
First we do it like a triangle.
And then?
Then
I think that makes sense. Yeah. Okay. I like this trick.
sure. Then if you see this one, no worries.